for a flight.
Good morning, Chick. What are you doing?
Good morning, Parrot Uncle. I am trying to fly high up in the air.
Fly high up in the air? Oh, Chick, you will hurt yourself. Hens cannot fly very high up in the air. But tell me, why do you look so sad?
Oh, Parrot Uncle, I am sad because I am not able to fly very high. All my friends are making fun of me. That's why I am trying very hard.
Oh, little Chick, don't be so sad. Come with me. Let's go and meet your friends.
They just went back home. They live in their nests high up in that tree. How can I go up there?
You don't worry about that. Just climb onto my back and I will take you there. Come on, jump up and hold me tight. Let's go now. Zoom! Zoom! Now let's call all your friends. Come out, little birds. Come. Your friend Chick has come to meet you.
Oh, Chick, how did you fly up here? You cannot even jump high.
I came up with Parrot Uncle. Uncle, see, they are laughing at me.
Stop, little birds. Don't make fun of Chick. What if Chick cannot fly very high? Hens are very special and useful birds. People eat their eggs. Okay, I will tell you a story.
Story? That will be lots of fun.
Once upon a time, there was a big tree. Many birds lived in that tree. A wise old owl was the king of that tree. One day, a peacock came to that tree. It said, I have colorful feathers. I am better than all of you. I dance the best. And I have a crown on my head. So I am the best bird.
Oh, then what happened, Parrot Uncle?
Another bird answered back. It said,
No, Peacock. You may be beautiful to look at. But what about your voice? It's not sweet like mine. when I see coo, coo. It's so sweet to hear. So I am the best bird.
Do you know which bird said that?
I know, Parrot Uncle. It is the koel bird. It has a very sweet voice. We can see it everywhere. See, my friend here is also a koel bird.
Right, Chick. That was the koel bird. Then another voice came. It said, "All of you, look at me. I have lovely green feathers and a red beak. I love to eat green chili and guava. People like me a lot because I love to copy what they say. So, I am the best."
Oh, Parrot Uncle, I know which bird said that. It is like you, a parrot. A parrot has green feathers, red beak, and loves to eat guava and green chilies.
That's right. It was a naughty parrot, not like me. Then another bird said, "I have a pink beak. See, it looks beautiful. I have grey feathers and can see gooter-goo, gooter-goo, gooter-goo. So I'm the best."
That must have been the pigeon.
That's right. Pigeon has grey feathers and a pink beak. It says gooter-goo, gooter-goo. Then another bird jumped in. It said, "Listen, everyone, I am the best bird because I can stitch leaves to make my home. I have a very special beak that is like a needle. So I am the best."
Parrot Uncle, that must have been the tailor bird. Only a tailor bird can stitch leaves with its beak to make its home.
That's right, little bird. Tailor birds have special beaks that help them to stitch leaves. Then there was another voice. It said, "Tuk tuk tuk tuk, but my beak is also special. Tuk 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 tuk. I can make holes in the tree trunks with my beak. Tuk 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 tuk. Then I can pick out insects hidden there. Tuk 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 tuk. When I work with my beak, it also makes a special noise. Tuk 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 tuk. So I am the best bird of all. Tuk 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 tuk." Hey, Chick, can you guess which bird said that?
Yes, Parrot Uncle, I know that bird. It is a woodpecker. See, this friend of mine is also a baby woodpecker.
That's right, Chick. Woodpeckers can make holes in tree trunks with their beaks. Then came a big bird. It said,
"I am the best bird of all. I eat dead animals and help to keep place is clean and neat. I can fly very high in the sky. So I am the best.
That was the vulture.
Oh, a vulture is a big bird. It eats all dead animals.
Then they heard another voice. It said,
I can also fly very high. I can pick rats with my claws and eat them. So I am very special. That's why I am the best.
Oh, parrot uncle, that must have been the eagle. It can pick up rats with its claws.
that's right. That was an eagle. Then they heard another voice. Ah, ka, ka. It said, I am the best. Ka, ka. I also eat dead animals and clean up dirty places. Ka, ka. I am all black and beautiful. I am present everywhere. So I am the best.
That must have been a crow for sure. I am also a baby crow. See, I can also say ka, ka, ka.
What happened then, parrot uncle?
All the birds started fighting. Each one said that it was the best bird of all. There was so much noise. So the king of the tree, the wise old owl, woke up.
I know, parrot uncle. I'll stay awake at night and sleep during the day.
That's right. The owl woke up and came to meet the birds. It looked at the birds and said,
Quiet, all of you. What is this terrible noise? Why are you all fighting? It is so silly to fight like this. You are all praising yourselves and fighting with others. It is very wrong to do that. Each of you is very special in your own way. You all have different types of beaks. Claws, feathers, and even sounds. But you are all birds. Look, even I am very different from all of you. I can rotate my neck backwards. What will happen if we all looked the same, ate the same food, lived in the same kind of places, and made the same kind of noise? Just imagine, the world will be a dull place. Now stop fighting and enjoy your day.
The owl was really wise, parrot uncle. It gave very good advice to all the birds. Otherwise, we would all be fighting like the way people do.
That's right! All the birds were ashamed of themselves for fighting. They said sorry to the king and to each other. From that day onwards, they all lived happily as friends.
Parrot uncle, we understood your story. Now we must say sorry to Chick for laughing at it. Chick, we are very sorry. What if you cannot fly high? You are very special. People like you a lot and keep you in their homes. Sorry, Chick. Will you forgive us? Will you be our friend once again?
It's okay. Yes, I am your friend even now. I am not sad anymore. Parrot uncle, that was a very nice story. Birds are so different from each other.
You are right, Chick. Birds look very different from each other. Some are tall like the crane and some are very small like the sparrow. Some birds like ducks live in water and many live on land and on trees. They have special feet also.
Yes, I know. The feet of the duck look very different. They help it to swim in water. But some birds have long, thin legs. They help them to walk and run very well.
That's right. Look at my feet. They are very different. They help me to hold on to tree branches. Birds eat different types of food also. I like guava and green chilies. Chick, you like green. Your friend woodpecker likes to eat insects. Some birds like to eat fish.
Parrot uncle, I like to eat nuts. I know vultures and crows like to eat dead animals.
Parrot uncle, I must go home now. My mother will be looking for me.
Come on, dear Chick. Let us go now. Say bye to your friends and sit on my back. Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Cheenu. What are you doing?
Oh, Parrot, good morning. See, I have made a sparrow with feathers. Look, I have made a parrot with my feathers.
But Cheenu, where did you get the feathers? The feathers are on us.
I picked them up from the ground. I saw them under that tree and picked them up.
Oh, Chick, don't worry. Cheenu is right. He must have picked up the feathers from the ground. We birds keep losing our old feathers from time to time. Then new ones grow again in their place.
Oh, I was getting scared. I need my feathers to fly. My feathers keep me warm also. Parrot uncle, look, your feather is very different from mine. Yours is green in color and mine is yellow in color.
That's right, Chick. See, even the shape and size of our feathers are different.
Parrot, you birds are so different from each other, but all of you are very beautiful and very special. We love you very much.
Friends, did you see how birds are very different? We have different kinds of special beaks and claws to help us do different things. We eat different types of food also. Our feathers are different, our colors are different. We live in different places like land, water or trees. But we are one big happy family.
We like you all very much. So please don't hurt us. Will you also love us like Meenu and Cheenu?
Shall we match the birds with the food they eat? Eagle,
Flash.
duck, tiny water animals, sparrow, nuts and grains, woodpecker, insects,
Parrot. Green chili.
Flash. Duck. Tiny water animals. Sparrow. Nuts and grains. Woodpecker. Insects. Parrot. Green chili. Now let us help Buzz match the beaks with the bird. Parrot. Duck. Woodpecker. Tailor bird.
Eagle.
Let us help Buzz to match the feather color to the correct birds. Parrot. Green. Crow. Black. Pigeon.
Grey.
Peacock. Blue-green. Swan. White. Koyal. Black. Parrot. Green. Crow. Black. Pigeon.
Grey.
Peacock. Blue-green. Swan. White. Koyal. Black. Friends, the birds are giving some clues about themselves. Shall we guess their name correctly? Beautiful is my feather. I dance in the monsoon weather. Long and blue is my neck. With my beak I like to peck. Who am I? Peacock. My feathers are green. Everywhere I am seen. Red is the color of my beak. I like to repeat whatever you speak. Who am I? Parrot. Ka is my sound. I am there all around. Anything and everything I can eat. I have to keep all places clean and neat. Who am I? Crow. Grains is what I like to eat. I like to run with my feet. My eggs that you eat are nice and white. But never ever do I bite. Who am I? Hen. Friends, will you tell where you have seen these birds? In water, on trees, in the house, or flying? Duck. In water. Woodpecker. On trees. Eagle. Flying. Hen. In the house. Swan. In water. Parrot. In the house.
Owl.
On trees. Pigeon. In the house. Vulture. flying. Tailor bird, on trees. Duck, in water. Woodpecker, on trees. Eagle, flying. Hen, in the house. Swan, in water. Parrot, in the house.
Owl,
On trees. Pigeon, in the house. Vulture, flying. Tailor bird, on trees.